This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter new equipment or edit existing equipment. In the main cabinet, go to Equipment, click on Equipment List. To create new equipment, select the blue Add button. To edit existing equipment, click on the equipment name from the equipment list. Notice the multicolor buttons along the top. Blue Add is to create new equipment. Purple Copy is to copy an existing equipment's information to a new piece of equipment. Green Save is to save the information just entered. Green Save and Add is to save the new information just entered, close the current equipment tab, and open a new equipment tab. Yellow Undo lets you undo any recently entered information or changes prior to saving. Orange Delete deletes the equipment record you are on. Blue Customize Form allows administrator to relabel any field on the screen. Blue Customize Tabs allows administrator to add, change, or reorder page tabs across the top of the screen. Red Save and Close saves all information entered and closes the current equipment tab. Red Close closes the current equipment tab. When entering or editing the equipment information, be sure to fill out anything with the red asterisk or the equipment will not save. All other fields can be utilized on a per equipment basis. Give the equipment a unique equipment ID. This is alphanumeric up to 10 characters. Enter the equipment name. Choose the equipment class from the dropdown. Fill in any additional equipment information available. Inspection expiration and license expiration date fields can be utilized to keep track of expiring inspections and registrations. The job cost rate is the hourly rate that will be expensed to the job through the payroll time card entry. There is a note section and additional user fields that include text, logical, date, and number fields. The system administrator can customize these user field labels to be used to store additional information about the equipment. Click Save when done entering new equipment information. Click Save and Add if entering multiple new equipment. Click Save and Close if completely done entering or editing equipment information, and it will close the current equipment tab.